Hey everybody, Sami Abusaad here with the Strategic Day Trader. I hope you are doing well. My third video of the day, so make sure to check out the other videos if you're just tuning in. Wanted to talk about the cryptocurrency market and to show you how I am trading it. Now, we all know, if you're following cryptocurrency, that Bitcoin, BTC, broke the bear market downtrend, broke out above it, and had a massive move, like 30% in over 30% in 1 day or 2 days. And so if you're in it, great. If you're not, what do you do now? Okay, first let's understand what's going on with the larger time frame. So if we look at we'll start with the monthly chart. This is the monthly time frame. It went from basically zero to $20,000, and then it pulled back to about $3,000. The low was 31.28, and now it's bouncing back up, and I'm predicting the next target to be about $6,000. Maybe a little bit more, but around the $6,000 mark. Why is that? Well, it's the 20 MA on the monthly chart, but it's also the major resistance on the weekly time frame. See this? That was a massive breakdown, and so we're headed back to there, is what I'm thinking. Maybe 6,500, maybe we reach 7,000, but that's where I think we're headed to, okay, in BTC. Now again, if you're in it from here, I have 2.7 coins, I think, is what I have in BTC. Let me just show you. So this is, I trade with pro.coinbase.com. I have accounts with all the exchanges, but this is the one that I trade most actively if I'm trading the major currencies, the Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, XRP, and what else? Bitcoin Cash. So I have 2.7 Bitcoins, and I also have 100 Ether units. So here's Ether. I have a stop for it, so that's why it shows zero balance. But if I cancel the stop, so I'll go ahead and cancel it so you can just see. If I cancel the stop, you'll see my position. I have 99.96, so 100 units of Ether, and then 2.7 units of Bitcoin left. To tell you the truth, on Tuesday, it was the second time in the last 10 years since I became a room moderator, right, that I almost missed the open. I didn't miss the open. I woke up at, I think, 8:58, so just 2 minutes before I was supposed to come on the mic. That was really embarrassing because I never sleep through my alarm. But on Tuesday, because of the market, the cryptocurrency market, I was up all night trading it. It was awesome, loved it. But again, the next day was tough because I didn't sleep. I hardly slept at all, so I missed my alarm. Of course, in the Strategic Day Trader room, I have also assistants who are just as capable, and I had Ifan come on and do the open. He did a marvelous job, and but that was on Tuesday. So if you're not in already, what can you do? Well, it's a little trickier because that was the point to get in it, right? If you're in the Strategic Day Trader room, we talk about it almost on a daily basis. So you know where to get in, where to put the stop. But if you're not, so here's what I'm looking at. So you see this? That is a 4-hour chart, which I love to use if you trade Forex. If you trade a 24-hour market, I love the 4-hour chart because it breaks the market into 6-hour segments, So I love the 4-hour chart for 24-hour markets. If you only trade stocks, I don't like the 4-hour chart. Okay, it wouldn't work for me at all. I use the hourly chart instead of the 1-hour chart instead of the 4-hour chart. But for 24-hour markets, I like the 4-hour chart a lot. So here's a breakout. This just happened. The entry was over 5,071. Let's see if I'm right. The top of this base should be 5,071 or something like this. I know I'm right because I already know. 5,071, something like this. Okay, so here it is. Look in the upper left corner, 5,071 and 34 cents. So that was the trigger. If you want to play the 4-hour chart, it's a little trickier because you could easily get stopped out. So what I'm saying here is you could do it here. We did trigger a little bit ago, not too late. That's only 70 cents late, $70 late. That's not too late. And then you can put the stop right here. If it ends up going and working to 7,000, oh my God, it would be a huge reward to risk. Because you know where your stop is? It's just under 49.60 something. So 49.67. And the entry over 5,007, so that's $100 stop. Oh, yes, we are at 51.55. Let's say you're now at a $200 stop. It's not even $200, but let's say it's $200. We go to 6,000 or 7,000. If we go to 6,000, that's $900, right? That's 4.5 hours, 4.5 times your risk. If we go to 7,000, that's 9 times your risk. So it would be a huge trade. If you can also look for a small pullback because we are into a resistance, so likely we will get a pullback. See, we're already getting a pullback, and just place an order right around $5,080, right about here. So you could do that. Now, I want you to understand that this is for educational purposes only. You and only you are responsible for your trading results. I'm just sharing with you my knowledge, what I'm doing, what I'm looking at. Okay, so I already have a position in Bitcoin, but that wasn't a bad place to add. And then on the pullback would also be an acceptable place to add. The strongest of the bunch has been BCH, which is Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. But I don't have a position anymore. I did day trade them on Tuesday of last week. They exploded. I mean, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, right, went up over 100% in 2 days. Exploded. See it? But I already got out because it was not sustainable in my opinion. And Litecoin also the same thing, but didn't rally as much. But let me show you the Litecoin monthly chart real quick. Okay? So Litecoin monthly chart. Take a look. We rallied from $22 to $100 to 99.89 cents. I mean, that's almost a 500% increase in the last 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 months. Almost a $500 increase. Okay? So it's not where I think the best opportunities lie because we already rallied so much. Here is where I think the best opportunity is from out of the major currencies. Now, this weekend, I will be scanning the altcoin market where I can find a lot of other plays, but I haven't done that yet. So I'm going to scan the altcoin this weekend. Now I'm just talking about the major currencies, cryptocurrencies. Ether still has a long way to go. It's at 167, has room to 400. So I have 100 units already. If I see another point of entry, I will get it. If you're in the strategic day trader room, what did I tell you on Friday? Just yesterday in the afternoon. What did I tell you? I said bid for it, or I told you that's what I would do if I didn't have any position in it. Bid for it around what I showed you my orders actually. 150, 152, 154. So you would have gotten filled right here. Okay, at the bottom. Perfect. That's up $13 now. So this is the benefit to being in the strategic day trader room, or even the strategic swing trader program. Is you get, if you're in the strategic day trader room, you get stock trades, day trades with me all day, every day. I'm super active. I'm hardcore as a trader. A lot more chilled and laid back as a person, but hardcore as a trader. All I do is eat, sleep, and trade. And you also get cryptocurrency coverage of the cryptocurrency market. Where else do you get that? And to make it even better, you can sign up if you're a new member for the next 30 days for just $49. $49. And the next 30 days, we're going to have earnings season. In fact, earnings season starts next Thursday with the banks reporting. Now, next week should probably be slow in the equities market, will probably be slow. The week after, we'll start to get the banks. And then after that, it's rock and roll, baby. It'll be busy. You won't even be seeing me doing these videos because I might not even have the time. So join me. I invite you to take advantage of this incredible offer to join me in the Strategic Day Trader room for the next 30 days for just $49. Link in the description. Check it out, okay? You get coverage, you get equities, you get cryptocurrencies, and then if you're part of the Strategic Swing Trader program, you get swing trades. Okay, I just did a video this morning went over the swing ideas for Monday. So and I already posted the swing ideas if you're part of the Strategic Swing Trader program in your account today. Log in your account, your customer portal account, and you'll see the 5 new trade ideas for Monday. If you don't want to bother logging in, you'll get an email from me on Monday at 8:30 in the morning. So whichever program you want to join, feel free. You're welcome to whatever program, Strategic Swing Trader, Strategic Day Trader. But the Strategic Day Trader has a special offer right now, a very, very special offer. So again, links in the description. You can also trade with me in person in Chicago. Next mentorship is going to be in June. So if you go to t3live.com/mentor, next one is the first week of June. Okay, feel free to watch that webinar that I did. I showed my account statements ever since I joined T3 Securities. So check it out. Who else does that? Have you ever seen a moderator or an educator show their account statements every month? Have you? You tell me. I'm not trying to be. There's 9 spots left. 15 seats total, 9 spots left. And again, feel free to watch that webinar. Go to t3live.com/mentor. Here's that webinar.
For some traders,
oops,
you can actually.
I didn't mean to have the sound on. But so that's coming up in June in Chicago. It'll be beautiful weather, downtown Chicago. Anyways, okay. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to hit the like button. Reach out to customer service or myself if you have any questions. But I'll talk to you guys next week. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Take care, everybody.